help you? Oh, yes. I've had my briefcase stolen. Okay, I'll take some details. Tell me what it looks like, first of all. Well, it's a leather brown briefcase with multiple pockets inside. It has 2 metal push-button locks in front. It's medium size. Does it also have a shoulder strap? No, it doesn't. What objects did you have inside the briefcase? I had my laptop, sunglasses, wallet, ID card, and a black leather book with important notes and sketches. How much money was there in your wallet? $200 and 3 cards. So now I have no money, and as such, you see, I have no way of getting home today. I see. Don't worry. We're going to help you get home safely. Where exactly did you lose your briefcase? In the bus station. I was sitting on the bench reading the news on my phone, with the briefcase right next to me. When the bus arrived, I stood up and noticed that my briefcase disappeared. Was the bus station crowded? Well, there were about 10 or 12 people in the station. And what time was this? It was 3:30 p.m. Can you please give me some personal details? Yes, sure. My name is Rob Gilbert. Can you spell that? Yes, it's Gilbert. And your address? 53 E. Randolph Street, Chicago. And you have a contact telephone number? Yes, it's 345-855-2456. Okay, please sign this form. We'll contact you as soon as we find something about your briefcase. Okay, thank you very much.
Next, please. What would you like?
I'd like the soup to start, please.
Okay, here you are. What else?
I'd like the grilled fish and rice.
Of course, and how about a salad?
That sounds good. I'd like a mixed salad.
What kind of dressing?
Vinaigrette, please.
How about dessert? We have apple pie and cheesecake.
I'll have some apple pie.
Of course. Here you are. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. Bye.
Hello, young man. What can I get for you?
Hi. I'd like the mashed potatoes with gravy and pork chops. And what are those green vegetables over there?
They're roasted green beans. They are so delicious and healthy. Would you like some?
Yes, please. And for dessert, I'd like some ice cream.
I'm afraid we don't have ice cream today, only cheesecake or apple pie.
Okay, then I'll have the cheesecake, please.
Would you like some salad with your meal?
Oh, yes, I forgot about the salad. I'd like a tomato salad with olive oil, please.
Here you are. Enjoy.
Thanks.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I would like to take some classes here at the sports center.
Sure. Which classes are you interested in?
I'm not sure. What classes are available?
If you like karate or boxing, you can join a class in our exercise studio. We also have walk-in activities like volleyball, indoor soccer, basketball, and archery in the sports hall. There are also 3 squash courts available for you. You can book these whenever you like to play with your friends.
Wow, that sounds really fun.
We also have group classes like Zumba, but also activities like fencing and gymnastics in the exercise hall.
I'm sure my sister will be delighted to join the Zumba classes.
You can do a climbing class Our climbing wall is 11 meters high and has about 30 routes.
Is there also a gym at the center?
Yes, there is. Our gym has an offer for everyone. Cardio equipment, strength equipment, and even weightlifting course. One of our instructors is always here to help you out.
What about a swimming pool?
Yes, sure. We have a 25-meter, 8-lane swimming pool.
Everything sounds awesome. I'll go for karate classes. Please sign me up.
There's a class that starts on the 22nd of March.
How much does it cost?
It's $50 for 10 lessons.
That's fine.
Okay, I'll just take down some details from you then. Could you give me your name, please?
Sure. It's Gabriel Tyler.
And could I have a contact number, please?
Yes, certainly. It's 0796 664 4986.
Thank you. See you on the 22nd then.
Great. Thanks. Bye.